your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Taroom Magistrates Court. It's about a 5.5 hour drive northwest of Brisbane. Client was charged with repeat drug driving. Basically, he's been charged with relevant drug present. So there's two types of drug driving. Relevant drug present, which means you've consumed it but it's still in your system, and under the influence of a drug, meaning you were high on drugs. That wasn't the case today. It was relevant drug present, but to cause difficulties for my client, it was a repeat offence. He'd twice previously been charged with the same offence in the last 5 years. So basically, if you've got two previous relevant drug present in the last 5 years, worst case is a lifetime loss of licence, mandatory minimum 6 months. So absolute best case today was 6 months. With regard to impairing, I got my client to do the reformatory course we get all of our clients to do. Got him to get some character references we give a template for. So we provide a template guiding the referees through who it's going to be addressed to and the key points they've got to cover. I prepared my submissions before driving up. Drove up yesterday. I actually had a job at Warwick yesterday, so I drove from Warwick to Taroom yesterday afternoon. Stayed here last night, met the client this morning. We grabbed a bit of bench space outside the court. I ran through the procedure, what you can expect to happen with regard to what the prosecutor's going to say, what I'll say, what the magistrate's going to say or is likely to say. As I said, worst case was a lifetime loss of licence. Mandatory minimum is 6 months. My job was to try to get the minimum 6 months. I was ultimately successful in doing that. So my client was given a 6-month disqualification and a modest fine. The prosecutor was actually speaking in terms of a penalty worse than a fine, meaning probation or suspended term of imprisonment, but ultimately that wasn't pushed forcefully, but he alluded that it might be appropriate, but that wasn't handed down today. So it was given a fine only and a disqualification of 6 months. Clients relieved, very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Taroom Magistrates Court. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road.